My name is Spencer Pringle and I've been working at Raute for 8 years. When I first interviewed with Raute, I was deciding between 3 different companies, and the atmosphere of the interview and some of the colleagues that I met and talked with, really got me excited, and the worldwide reach that Raute has really got me interested, and at the end ended up being the decision maker for why I decided to come to Raute. The wood industry was absolutely not familiar at all. I'd never heard anyone or even knew how plywood was made. It was a bit of a shot in the dark to decide hey, let's jump into the wood products industry and see what happens, but I don't regret it. My first position here at Raute was junior estimator. So I worked on quotations for all equipment all across North America. From there, I became a sales engineer responsible for preliminary layouts, some engineering details and quotations, contract writing. And then for the last 2 years, I've been an account manager responsible for all of Canada and some of the Pacific Northwest. So I deal on the front face of the company, dealing with all the customers, traveling to mill sites, and of course, working from the office and dealing with quotations, contracts, engineering design, and pretty much everything under the sun, which is really exciting. The team here in North America is really great. We're close knit. We're a select number of employees here. We're a smaller portion of the worldwide organization, so we feel like we're a bit of a family here, and we all work really well together. It's really nice to being in the office here, meeting all the engineers, all the automation guys, and then also going down in the shop floor, chatting with them, and seeing the equipment on the floor that you've designed and talked with the customer with for sometimes years, and then actually seeing it come together on the shop floor, get to go to site to see it running is really something.